In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt a PDF in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to go to the official website. This is important so you can safely access the right platform and avoid any confusion with similar-looking results. When the site opens, sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you may be taken straight to your dashboard. If not, just complete the sign-in process and continue into the main workspace. From the dashboard, open the PDF that you want to encrypt. This will load the file into DocHub's editor, where you can review the document before securing it. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct file, especially if you work with multiple versions of the same document. Before downloading the encrypted version, make any necessary edits or alterations to the document. You can update text, adjust images, and fill in or modify forms using the standard toolbar. This is a useful step because it lets you finalize everything first, so you won't need to repeat the encryption process after making changes later. It's always a good idea to quickly scan the document one last time to confirm that everything looks correct. Once your document is ready, go to the upper right corner of the toolbar and click the download or export icon. It looks like an arrow pointing down into a tray. This will open the export options for your file. In the download settings, toggle on the password protect option. Keep in mind that this is a premium feature in DocHub, so you'll need a plan that supports it. After turning it on, enter a secure password into the prompt field and then re-enter it to confirm. Choose a password that is strong but also something you can store safely and retrieve later, because anyone opening the PDF will need it. Be careful when typing, since even a small mismatch in the confirmation field can prevent the file from being protected properly. After that, click Download. DocHub will generate your protected PDF and save it to your device. Once the file finishes downloading, it's a smart idea to open it and test the password right away to make sure the encryption was applied successfully. And that's how to encrypt a PDF in DocHub.